Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what to do if a hard drive or USB drive is not showing up on your computer. This is a very common problem. Many times when we connect an external hard drive, USB drive, or even install an internal hard drive, it simply doesn't appear in File Explorer. Sometimes this happens after creating or changing partitions, and sometimes it just happens out of nowhere. Let me show you what I mean. I've opened File Explorer and gone to this PC, and as you can see, only local disk C is showing here with about 149 gigabytes. Windows is installed on this drive and it's working fine, but the other hard drive that is installed in my computer is not showing. If you're facing the same issue with a hard drive or an USB drive, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because this method will fix the problem for you. Now, to make the missing drive show up, the first thing you need to do is right-click on Windows, Start button, and select Disk Management option above Computer Management. This will open Disk Management. Here you can see all the drives connected to your computer, even the ones that are not showing in File Explorer. Here you'll see Disk 0, which is the drive where Windows is installed, and that one is already working fine. Below that, you may see another disk, like Disk 1, which is your missing hard drive, or USB. If this disk is visible here, but not showing in File Explorer, that means it just doesn't have a drive letter assigned. To fix this, simply right-click on the partition of the disk that's not showing, and click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. A new window will open. If there's no drive letter assigned, click on Add button, then choose any available drive letter you like, for example D or E, and click OK. As soon as you do this, Windows will automatically assign the drive letter, then open File Explorer again, and you'll see that the missing drive is now visible and accessible. You can open it and start using it normally. In some cases, when you open the drive, Windows may ask you to format it. If that happens, be careful. Formatting will erase all the data on that drive. If you don't have important data on it, you can go ahead and format it, and the drive will work perfectly. But if you do have important data, don't format it unless you're sure, or have a backup. Sometimes drives get corrupted, and formatting is the only way to fix them, but it always comes with data loss. So that's how you can easily make any missing hard drive, partition, or USB drive show up on your computer, whether it's internal or external. I hope this video helped you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do. I'll see you in the next video.